Are we good?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I totally missed.
This is the NHS R&D lab. Today we're going to take a look at the machines we use to test skateboard decks. This is the board test machine. The board test machine was designed to test four things: stiffness, strength, durability, and pop. The first machine test is what we call the picture of pop. This is a measurement of the dynamic flex pattern of the board and its effect on the anvil. The test begins with recording the weight, thickness, and width of the test board. Then we mount the test trucks and wheels. Apply the front foot pressure and measure the tail in height. The string potentiometer is attached to the anvil. The 83-pound anvil is raised and dropped one time on the tail, with the computer doing data acquisition during the drop. The result is a graph of the bounce of the anvil during the test. This graph looks like a heartbeat, and it's a graphic representation of the flex and the resiliency of a board. The second test is to raise and drop the 83-pound anvil on the tail 100 times. Every high-quality board should last 100 impacts from 8-inch height. Anything less than 80 impacts would be considered a problem board and subject to more testing and evaluation. If the board survives 100 drops, we then do a second picture of pop test to see how the pop and flex of the board hold up after the wear and tear of 100 drops. Of course, we also get our feedback the old-fashioned way: skaters in the streets, riding the product. This is often the result when you use the deck testing machine on boards that come from or other similar big-name sporting good chains. This is the Deck Edge Impact Delaminator. The Deck Edge Impact Delaminator drops a 20-pound steel anvil onto the nose edge of a board. The board is firmly mounted in a steel and aluminum fixture. The thickness of a board is measured pre-test. After 3 impacts from a standard height, the thickness near the impact zone is measured and recorded. The percentage change in thickness is noted, and also a visual inspection is recorded. This is the Deck Shape Digitizer. Precision boards require a precision machine to make sure the shapes coming in from the factory rooms meet our specifications. All factory samples for approval get digitized and compared to the original design. This is the CNC mold deck cutting machine. The NHS lab designs, cuts, and prototypes all our molds and deck layups on site in our own laboratory workshop.
Very nice.
Keep an eye out for more NHS R&D lab videos where we test our products against the competition.
Without the cola.